What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EMT. My name's Emad, and today we're going to be building my very first PC. Is this going to be an epic fail or a wonderful miracle? Let's find out. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's start with the case. Let's open this case up here. Nzxt, guess it's the H510 compact mid-tower ATX case. No idea what all that means, but we're about to find out. Take your knife. Nzxt. Is this sitting right? I don't think this is sitting right. Yeah, now that's sitting right. Yeah, so this is the case, y'all. Looks pretty good, I might add. Yeah, it's got like a little tempered glass section here, so I guess I gotta handle that with care. Right there. So, yeah, that's that here. Let's start taking this case apart. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do with this bad boy is just pop off this little back panel right here. The way you do that is very easy. There's two little hand screws there, and here you just kind of twist them. They should be kind of handleless in the box. This one is, thankfully. And then you just grab those and pull them out there, and it should just pop off like a door. Alright. So that's that. Then we got access to the back of the computer. This is where you're going to route all your wiring, to make it like look cleaner. There's apparently some little thing there, so we'll take care of that, and yeah, let's move on. All right, let's see what Nzxt sent us here. All right. Looks like miscellaneous connectors and zip ties and some kind of an audio jack. We'll figure all this stuff out hopefully. Alright, we don't need that box anymore. Oh. Alright, instructions. Yay! Alright, well, let's find out what we're supposed to do. Alright, now we're just going to remove the tempered glass panel. Remember, this is glass, so you do want to be careful with this if you're working on this exact case right here. So I think it just pops off, hopefully, maybe. Yeah, it does just pop off. Alright, cool. So glass case, no, it's joking, but yeah. Alright, let's move on. That was easy enough. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is just one part of a whole series I'm going to put out about how to build that PC right there, get it up and running and everything like that. I'm also going to be throwing down the whole build episode as well, from the beginning of the case build all the way up to when we plug it in and get it running. Remember, guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any comments or questions or anything, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.